我哋早啲提過，加拿大製造業前景可以話並唔樂觀嘅。喺美加自由貿易嘅影響底下，加拿大製造商開始體會到競爭能力嘅重要性。萬一成本過高、生產效率欠佳，我哋分分鐘就唔夠人嚟。分析家估計，90年代將會見到更多製造商撤退，甚至係關門嘅。但係與此同時，我哋間中亦會聽到一啲嘅成功史，佢哋喺世界市場仲可以話站穩崗位。一個好好嘅例子就係一間喺安省設為總部嘅吸塵機製造商啦。喺一位女強人嘅領導之下，呢間公司已成為加拿大其中首要嘅供應商。睇睇佢有咩秘訣。加拿大生產商真素美喺12年前由 Saskatchewan 搬移到安省，時至今日，佢嘅生產業務經已蒸蒸日上，成為全加拿大最具規模嘅中央吸塵系統製造商。創辦人真素美話，該公司嘅產品目前係佔咗全國市場嘅50%以上。喺87年，該公司仲奪得加拿大政府傑出商業獎嘅金牌添。真素美對佢現有嘅成績係十分驕傲，而認為加拿大公司係絕對有機會可與其他工業國競爭嘅。只不過任何嘅生產商都必須有一種遠見嘅精神。
We also have taken quite a long-term look at the markets. I don't think you can expect to go into an export market and just turn it on its ear overnight. You don't do that. So what you have to do is to find people with a similar vision to yours, people who can also see the future, who have dreams and are willing to work very hard.
除咗加拿大本土市場之外，真素美亦成功咁打破美國、英國、法國及德國嘅市場。身為一間世界市場嘅供應商，真素美對加拿大生產商目前所面對嘅困難係有相當嘅認識。美加自由貿易所造成嘅影響係越見明顯。當講到成本嘅問題，美國比起加拿大好多時都會低好多，但到目前為止，該私營公司亦有辦法維持理想嘅生意額。真素美認為，除咗刻苦耐勞之外，能夠有辦法鼓勵公司嘅職員共同接受各項嘅挑戰，亦一樣咁重要。但如果欠缺咗一種遠見，失敗機會就大好多啦。
Well, there has to be a long-term element in everything. I mean, obviously, there are a lot of things that you have to do hour by hour, and you have to be sure that you're doing everything that you can to keep your costs reasonable, to support your dealers and distributors, keep your staff motivated. But if you lose your long-term vision, you'll pay.
長遠嘅市場研究及發展計劃可以話係遠見中一重要嘅分子。Beam Canada 公司喺近10年間經已投資咗過百萬元做研究及產品發展工作。點樣進一步減低機器嘅聲量，做得比行家更出色，每一點都對將來發展相當重要。真素美話：市場研究工作如果能夠做得足，你往往有機會行先人一步，保持世界市場現有嘅崗位。
With research and development, you have to be looking 3 to 5 years down the road for where you think your competition is going to go, first of all, and just keeping an open eye out for any kind of developments that you can adapt to use with your own product.
凡係做生產嘅都要留意住產品及成本操作效率各重要嘅問題。產量越高，製作成本就會更低。真素美表示，該公司目前高產量肯定對佢哋業務有好大幫助。不過佢認為，自從美加貿易協議生效後，一般生產及供應商都會考慮喺美國設廠，直接供應美國嘅市場。但直至到佢哋現有生產嘅容量去到頂點，佢哋並唔會實行咁樣做。
It wouldn't make sense for us to do that until our facilities here are just pushed too far, and I don't think that's going to happen for quite a while. We have quite a bit of capacity to go before we actually have to look at a second plant.
不過真素美亦強調，假設日後真係有需要喺美國設廠，佢哋並唔會全面由加拿大撤退嘅。佢覺得加拿大市場潛質仍相當大。
It makes more sense to manufacture closer to your market. Whether we'd close down here, I'd say absolutely not. We're looking at a lot of growth in the Canadian market as well, and so we have a commitment to stay in Canada as a manufacturer.
喺成本問題嘅困擾之下，不少加拿大生產商都有困難維持業務。美國設廠點都係一個可行嘅途徑，加上近來經濟衰退造成咁大嘅影響，有公司考慮放棄加拿大為生產基地係並不出奇。但係曾素美話，佢哋可以講有足夠嘅經驗應付目前嘅環境。82年經濟嘅衰退經已係一個好嘅教訓，加上美加自由貿易帶嚟更大嘅挑戰，佢應付嘅能力反而會比以往更充足。
I think there's a certain element into success that is a part of everybody that responds to challenge, so that it's actually, in some ways, it's almost easier to become motivated and to work that much harder and smarter.
曾素美目前有計劃大量發展龐大嘅美國市場，佢好有信心能夠打破美國同行嘅市場地位。
We definitely are looking to expand in the United States. We are marketing in the United States, which we haven't done before, and we have some very interesting developments that are in the works. As far as manufacturing in the United States, I think down in the future we probably will be manufacturing there to supply the United States market.
喺訪問中，我曾問到呢位女士打進美國市場將有幾困難，佢好有信心咁話：美國市場雖然係比加拿大大好多。佢並唔相信會有遇到咩嘅特別困難。佢話加拿大本土大約有30個競爭者，相信如果能夠壓到呢30個同行，美國市場嘅距離可能相差唔會咁大。不過無論如何，曾女士嘅信心其實俾到我哋好大鼓勵嘅。